Welcome to the Early Learning Coalition of Broward County's Eligibility Verification Wizard tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to complete and submit an eligibility verification application. In order to log into your account, please go to familyservices.floridaearlylearning.com. Once you're on the website, scroll to the bottom of the page and log in as a returning user using the credentials you created. This will bring you to your family profile in the OEL Family Portal. On this page, you will be able to view VPK applications and school readiness applications that you have submitted. In order to access the Eligibility Verification Wizard, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the blue button that says Verify Eligibility in the School Readiness Funding box. This will launch the Eligibility Verification Wizard. In order to continue, click Start in the bottom right-hand corner. The first section of the Eligibility Verification Wizard is the household information. In this section, you will confirm and update the following information: the primary address of your household, the list of children in your household who need care, the list of parents in your household along with their contact information, the list of other people in your household including adults and children not needing care, and the required CCAA documentation if applicable. When you are ready to continue, click Next in the bottom right-hand corner. The first step in the Household Information section is the household address. Each section is automatically populated with the information that was previously entered in the school readiness application. When additional information is required, the Additional Information is Needed box will display on the screen. If you try to click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step, an Additional Information is Needed box will pop up, letting you know that you cannot move on to the next step until all information is uploaded. In order to add the additional information, click No, I need to update the information to continue. This will allow you to edit the information and upload the necessary documents. Click Upload Document in the Proof of Residency section to upload the Proof of Residency document. Once the document is uploaded, click Save to save changes, and click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. The next step in the Household Information section is the Children Needing Care section. On this page, all children needing care will be listed. In order to update the information, click the red box that states No, I need to update the information, and click Edit in the top right-hand corner. Doing so will allow you to update the information and upload all necessary documents. For the Children Needing Care section, a proof of age and a proof of U.S. citizenship or qualified alien document is required. To upload a proof of age document, click Upload Document and upload the proof of age document. To upload the proof of U.S. citizenship or qualified alien document, click on Upload Document and select the correct document. Once all information has been updated and documents have been uploaded, click Save. Click the green box that says Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. The next step in the Household Information section is the Parents section. This screen will display all parents residing in the household. Again, the box indicating that additional information is needed will be displayed. To update the information, click No, I need to update the information, and click Edit in the top right-hand corner. This page will allow you to edit the parent information. You must also indicate if you are disabled or unable to work. If you are disabled or unable to work and indicate yes, a proof of disability must be uploaded. If you are not disabled or unable to work and click no, a proof of disability will not be required. You are also required to upload a proof of identity. Click Upload Document to upload the necessary document. Once all information has been updated and the proper documents have been uploaded, click Save to save the information and click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. The next step in the household information is the Other Household Members section. On this page, other household members will be displayed. For this application, we did not indicate that other household members are living in the house. In order to move to the next step, click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. If you indicate that other household members are residing in the household, you must click on No, I need to update the information to update information and upload all necessary documents. To continue, click Yes, it is accurate and complete. The next step in the household information section is a child care application and authorization referral. If you indicated that you are receiving a child care application and authorization referral, it will be displayed here. If the information is accurate and complete, click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. If this section needs to be updated, click No, I need to update the information to update this section. To move to the next step, click Yes, it is accurate and complete. You have now completed the household information section. The next section is the employment information section. In this section, we'll have you confirm or update the following information for each adult: their current list of employers, their weekly schedule for each job, and their income for each job. When you're ready to continue, click Next. The employment information page will display the employment information for each parent living in the household. Again, the box indicating that additional information is needed will be displayed. To update the information, click the red box that states No, I need to update the information, and click the Edit button in the top right-hand corner. The next page will allow you to edit job details. On this page, you will be updating your job information. Again, this section is automatically populated with the information previously entered in your school readiness application. Below your employment information, there will be a question that asks if alimony and/or child support is taken out of your paycheck. There will also be two other questions that ask if you are a seasonal employee or if you are a school board employee. The wizard is also going to ask you to indicate your weekly workday schedule. Click on all days that apply to your schedule. A proof of employment is also required. To upload the document, click Upload Document and select the appropriate document. Once all information has been updated and the document has been uploaded, click Save to save changes and click the green box that states Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. You may also upload additional documents if they are necessary. Click Save to save changes and click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. Now that we have concluded the employment section, let's make sure we've got current school and training information for the adults in your household. In this section, we'll have you confirm or update the following information for each adult: the list of schools and training facilities that they are currently attending, their weekly class schedule for each school or facility. When you're ready to continue, click Next. The next page will display the parents residing in the household and the schools or training facilities they are currently attending. Since we see that the additional information is needed boxes display, we must click on No, I need to update the information and click Edit to update the information. This page will allow you to edit the school and training information for the parents in the household. This section is also automatically populated with the information that was previously entered in your school readiness application. Some information that needs to be added is the number of hours attending school per week and the method of education hour calculation. Here we will indicate that the parent is attending for 12 credit hours and is also attending school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Once this information has been updated, we must upload a document for proof of school. Click Save to save changes, and click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. Perfect, now we're halfway there. Now let's make sure we've got current information about any additional income that your household receives. In this section, we'll have you confirm or update the following information: the household members that receive additional income, and the amount and source of the additional income. When you're ready to continue, click Next. If other income was reported for the household members, it will be displayed on this page. If this section needs to be updated, click No, I need to update the information and add other income. If the information is accurate and complete, click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. Great, now let's make sure we've got current information about your alimony and child support payments. In this section, we'll have you confirm or update the following information: the adults in your household that are making alimony and child support payments, and the amount of the payments. When you're ready to continue, click Next. The alimony and child support page will indicate if parents in the household either make payments or receive income for alimony and child support. Since we indicated that this parent is receiving $125 per month for child support, the additional information is needed box is displayed. To update the information, click No, I need to update the information, and the Edit box. On this page, we will see how much the parent is receiving in alimony and child support. The parent is not receiving alimony, so $0 is indicated. However, the parent is receiving $125 in child support. Since we indicated that, a proof of child support income must be uploaded. To save the information, click Save. If the information is accurate and complete, click Yes, it is accurate and complete. Since we stated that the parent is not receiving alimony payments, the Certify Alimony and Child Support box pops up. Here, you must certify that you are not receiving alimony payments. If you indicated that you are not receiving child support, you must also certify that you are not receiving child support payments. Click Save to continue. Wonderful, you're in the home stretch. Now let's make sure we know your child's care provider preferences. When you're ready to continue, click Next. On the Provider Selections page, each child in need of assistance will be listed. A provider selection is required, and we will need to click No, I need to update the information to edit the information. If you are aware of the provider that you want your child to attend, click Add Provider Selection. Step 1 of adding a provider is searching the child's care provider listing. The provider can be searched for based on their name, street address, city, or zip code. For this tutorial, we are going to look up the name King and click Search. We would like to add our child to King's Child Care Center. Once you select the proper provider, their details will populate below. Step 3 will ask if your child is currently attending the child care facility. If they are attending the facility, click Yes. If they are not attending the facility, click No and enter an estimated start date. Click Save to save the information. If the information is accurate and complete, click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. If you are in need of assistance selecting a child care provider, click I need help selecting a child care provider, and a request to help with provider selection will pop up. It will ask if you want to request help with provider selections for the specified child. Click Yes to continue. And then click Yes if it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. Now we are on the last step. Let's make sure that we can verify the information that you've provided. In this final section, we'll have you upload documentation that validates the information in your application. When you're ready, click Next to continue. The Attached Supporting Documents page will allow you to upload any additional documentation you believe is required. If you are a participant in the CareerSource Regional Workforce Welfare Transition Program, you may also upload your referral on this page. If this information is accurate and complete, click Yes, it is accurate and complete to move to the next step. The final page is to review the application. Please take a moment to review your responses for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Next to continue to the Submit page where you can sign and submit your eligibility verification. If you need to make corrections to your information, use the corresponding edit buttons to go back and edit your information. Looks like we're ready to submit the eligibility verification. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, read the certification statement. Please read through the following clarification statement and be sure that you agree with it. Step 2, sign and submit the verification. In the parent signature box below, select the box labeled Certified by Electronic Signature and type the parent's full name into the signature field. Then click the Submit Eligibility Verification button to submit your verification. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your eligibility verification. Your Early Learning Coalition will now review your verification and contact you soon about your child's eligibility for funding. Thank you.